So, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Viking 15 liter left side only removable bag. So this bag here is the 15 liter, is a 10 liter. They go on the right side only. The 15 liter is for the left side only, and it's because it's longer to accommodate for the exhaust on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the quick release system. So there is a drawstring right here. You can pull that up, press down, and the bag is easily removed. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what can fit in this bag. So you'll notice the heavy duty construction, like I demonstrated on the Viking videos. The webbing does provide additional storage. It is extremely durable. Viking does a great job with construction. The top is leather, and of course you do have the 3 disconnects. I'll go ahead and show you what this bag can hold. There is a removable rain liner. I don't use it, or I haven't used it yet, but it is available. So it is installed already, and so whatever you put in here will stay dry. Close it. You can just wrap it up and latch it and stuff it inside. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the rain liner. This is just Velcro around the top. And it pulls right out. And I'll show you what this bag can hold. So this right here can just be folded into the bag, and it gives you the maximum amount of storage. So this is a 16 liter water bottle, or excuse me, 60 ounce water bottle. And you can also put in a sweatshirt. And then also it will hold a fuel cell if needed. Everything fits when you close. Latch, and it has Velcro on the sides to make sure nothing gets in. Also, one of my favorite functions I use basically every time I ride, it will hold a Yeti cooler. So go ahead and just place it like this, and if it's right in there, it will also still accommodate the fuel cell. Or go ahead and put in your sweatshirt or light jacket, and it will fit just fine. So that is the capacity of the 15 liter. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about the mounting hardware. And so I'll go ahead and show you what's going on with the bolts. So this first one is the original bolt from Honda. You can see it's right a little over 2 inches. This is a bolt that I bought. I thought I was going to use it. It does have the Allen head, and it's just a little over 3 inches. It was a little bit short, and I'll show you why. This is the Viking bolt that comes with it. It's right at 3 inches. It was a little bit short, and I'll show you why. This is the bolt I decided to go with. So you can see it's just a little under 4.5 inches. And follow me over, and I'll show you how this connects to the back. So first of all, you'll notice the bolts I put in. They're not the original from Viking. They're actually about 4.5. They're grade 8, 10 millimeter, 1.25 pitch, but I needed to accommodate my sissy bar and the hardware, and I wanted it to extend all the way through. I can put my finger back here, and I can actually feel the end of the bolt, and that's what I wanted. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate how easy it is to put on the quick release Viking bag. Just come over here. There is this quick release lever. You can just pull on that. Get everything lined up. And it slides right on. It does have this Velcro strap with a pull string, and you can just put it right here. Velcro it, and then it's out of the way. So this is Incognito 15 liter Viking bag. I hope it helps.